Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Connected Leadership, Lecture 1. In today's lecture, we will learn about Introduction to Connected Leadership. Connected leadership, the power of collaboration, the characteristics of connected, benefits of connected leadership for individuals, the benefits of connected leadership for organizations, building a culture of connectivity and collaboration. Conclusion: the future of connected leadership. Connected leadership, the power of collaboration. In today's rapidly changing world, leaders need to be more connected than ever before. Connected leadership is about collaborating with others and building strong relationships to achieve common goals. By embracing connected leadership, individuals and organizations can unlock their full potential and drive innovation and growth. This approach fosters a culture of collaboration where everyone has a voice and can contribute to the success of the team. The characteristics of connected leaders. Connected leaders possess a unique set of traits and competencies that enable them to build strong relationships with their teams and stakeholders. They are skilled communicators who listen actively, provide feedback constructively, and inspire others to achieve their goals. They are also adaptable and resilient, able to navigate complex challenges with grace and determination. In addition, connected leaders are empathetic and compassionate, recognizing the value of diversity and inclusion in driving innovation and growth. They foster a culture of collaboration and teamwork, empowering their employees to share ideas and work together towards a common vision. Finally, they lead by example, modeling the behaviors and values they expect from their team members. The benefits of connected leadership for individuals. Connected leadership is not just about achieving business goals, it's also about helping individuals grow and develop in their personal and professional lives. When leaders prioritize connectivity and collaboration, they create a work environment that fosters learning, creativity, and innovation. This type of environment allows individuals to take risks, learn from their mistakes, and ultimately reach their full potential. Studies have shown that individuals who work in a culture of connectivity and collaboration are more engaged, motivated, and productive. They also report higher levels of job satisfaction and overall well-being. Connected leadership can help individuals build stronger relationships with their colleagues, develop new skills, and gain exposure to different perspectives and ideas. All of these benefits contribute to a more fulfilling and successful career. The benefits of connected leadership for organizations. Connected leadership can have a significant impact on organizations, leading to increased productivity, innovation, and employee engagement. According to a study by Deloitte, companies with highly connected leaders are twice as likely to be top-performing organizations compared to those without. Connected leaders are able to create a culture of collaboration and communication that fosters innovation and creativity. They also tend to have higher levels of employee engagement, which can result in lower turnover rates and higher levels of job satisfaction. Building a culture of connectivity and collaboration. Encourage open communication and active listening to create a culture of connectivity. This means providing opportunities for employees to share their ideas, opinions, and feedback in a safe and supportive environment. Promote cross-functional collaboration by breaking down silos and encouraging teams to work together on projects and initiatives. This can be achieved through team-building exercises, joint training sessions, and collaborative brainstorming sessions. Conclusion.
In conclusion, connected leadership is not just a buzzword, but a crucial concept for success in today's world. By embracing the traits and competencies of connected leaders, individuals and organizations can reap numerous benefits, from personal growth to increased productivity and innovation.
As we look to the future, it is clear that connected leadership will only become more important. With advances in technology and globalization, The ability to collaborate and connect with others across boundaries will be essential for success. But with the right mindset and skills, we can all become connected leaders and help create a brighter future for ourselves and our organizations.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.